Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a super helpful feature in the latest WhatsApp update for PC, how to find all your received media by date. Whether you're looking for that photo your friend sent last month or a document from weeks ago, this update makes it so much easier to locate everything in one place. First, open your WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it loads, take a look at the left side menu. You'll notice a small media icon. Click on that. This is where all your shared files, photos, and videos are grouped together for quick access. After you open the media view, you'll see different sections like media, links, and docs. Choose media to focus only on images and videos. All your received visuals will now appear right there, but here's where it gets even better, the new sorting option. At the top of the window, find the sort icon. Click on it and a new menu will drop down. You'll see several sorting choices, but to organize your files by date, select Others. Once you choose that, the app will let you pick a specific period, like last week, last month, or even a custom date range. Just set your preferred time frame and watch as WhatsApp instantly filters your media to show only what was received during that period. This feature saves tons of time when scrolling back through endless photos and videos. Whether you're trying to gather memories from a trip, locate important work files, or just clean up some space, sorting by date makes it fast and effortless. And that's it. You've now learned how to find all your received media by date on WhatsApp's PC app using the newest update. Simple, smooth, and super efficient. If this helped you out, don't forget to organize your files today and keep things neat for the next time you're searching for that one specific photo or video.